exploring the concept of digital twin. In the ever-evolving landscape of technology, the concept of digital twin has emerged as a transformative and innovative paradigm. A digital twin refers to a virtual representation of a physical object or system, meticulously designed to mirror its real-world counterpart in the digital realm. This concept has found profound applications across various industries, revolutionizing the way we understand, monitor, and interact with the physical world. 1. Understanding the digital.Digital. At its core, digital twin captures the intricacies of a physical entity, be it a machine, infrastructure, or even an entire ecosystem. Through advanced sensors, data analytics, and connectivity, it replicates the behavior, performance, and status of the actual object in real time. 2. Applications across industries. Manufacturing, the realm of manufacturing. Digital twins are employed to optimize production processes, monitor equipment health, and predict maintenance needs. This not only enhances operational efficiency, but also reduces downtime and costs. Healthcare. Digital twins find applications in healthcare for creating personalized models of patients. These virtual replicas assist in devising customized treatment plans, simulating surgeries, and predicting the outcomes of medical interventions. Smart cities. In the context of urban development, digital twins play a pivotal role in designing and managing smart cities. From traffic management to energy consumption, these digital replicas enable urban planners to make informed decisions for sustainable and efficient city development. 3. Realizing predictive capitalist. One of the key advantages of digital twins lies in their predictive capabilities. By continuously collecting and analyzing real-time data from their physical counterparts, these virtual models can anticipate potential issues, simulate scenarios, and provide insights into future performance. 4. Challenges and future prospects. While the potential of digital twins is immense, challenges such as data security, interoperability, and the complexity of integrating various systems need to be addressed. As technology advances, we can expect digital twins to become more sophisticated, influencing fields like artificial intelligence, machine learning, and the Internet of Things, IoT. In conclusion, the concept of digital twin is a testament to the evolving synergy between the physical and digital worlds. As industries continue to embrace this paradigm, we are on the cusp of a technological revolution, where the boundaries between reality and its digital counterpart blur, opening up new possibilities for innovation and efficiency. The journey of the digital twin is not just a replication. It's a transformative bridge connecting the tangible and the virtual in ways that redefine our approach to problem solving and development.